Euro Aussie, so this chart's a little ugly. We gotta figure out what we want to do. Move these around a bit. We'll set these up after. Actually, here, put that back. So move this out of the way here, because September is now our goal. And then we have to figure out what we want to do. So price currently is bullish. It's above this moving average. However, it's hit this resistance zone many times and failed. Recently, it hit it again here, and then you had a big bearish candle here. So it tells me that it does not want to break this resistance zone. So I would look to short it, but as of right now, it would be a counter trend trade. So you're risking that. But I mean, if you can catch the start of a new trend, if price is switching to bearish now, and if Euro Aussie is switching to bearish, and you catch the top of that trend, you make some good money real quick. So could be worth it if you get in. If it favors you. Hang on, I need a sip of my tea. So if you could get in at like this zone here, keep your stop above this area. This is all theory. Let's say price comes back up to here and rejects again. Then, then it might be worth entering. And then how you could maybe, figure out, oh, hold on, let me set these up first. So our monthly range is about 600 pips. So 166 to 160. I forgot to go over this. So I like to set up my monthly ranges. So the monthly range for this pair is 600 pips. So I'm shooting for a 600 pip movement. Obviously, you never catch the full thing, but if you can get pretty close, that's good too. So I'm looking for a 600 pip move. So I want it off this zone. I want price to come back up to this zone, and I want to enter short if a few other things correlate. So right now you have bullish price action. You have higher lows and higher highs. You can see it just formed another higher low here. So price structure on the 4-hour right now is still bullish. Price is above this moving average, so I don't want this yet. However, once it gets to this zone, if it starts to hesitate, and if it can't break these moving averages, obviously it will break this 1 hour for now when it heads up. But then if it breaks below the 1 hour and then eventually the 4-hour, then that's a good sign that not only did price hit its area of resistance, it's now losing momentum and it's crossing over the moving averages. And then looking at a 30-minute, obviously if price comes up to here, it'll cross back over the 30-minute quicker than the higher time frames. So once you can kind of see the other time frames correlate and price move over and like cross over the moving average and head downwards, then that's usually a much better sign and confirmation that you have a good entry and that the trend is changing in your favor. So I would wait for that. I don't see a trade elsewise on this. I mean, maybe if it broke this area, but I don't think it's going to do that yet. If it breaks this area, then we're definitely looking for lows, or like to target new lows, which would be probably this area. So if it broke this, then we'd shoot for that. But as of right now, based on this kind of ranging that it's doing, I could see it heading back up here and trying it again. And then we would enter a short position and target, this full monthly movement. So that is Euro Aussie. We're going to have to wait for that one.